In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export QuickBooks data 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your QuickBooks online information into a clean Excel file you can analyze, archive, or share with stakeholders. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online in a modern web browser. For the smoothest experience, use an up-to-date version of Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If you manage multiple companies, double-check you're in the correct company file before continuing, because your export will reflect whatever company is currently active. Once you're in, head to the top right of the screen and click the gear icon, also known as Settings. This is your central hub for tools and preferences. In the menu that opens, look for the Tools section and select Export Data. If you don't see that option, you may need higher permissions from your administrator. Also note that the process we're covering applies to QuickBooks Online. The desktop product has a different workflow. On the Export Data page, choose what you want to export. You'll typically see options grouped by reports and lists. Reports can include things like the profit and loss, balance sheet, and general ledger, while lists might include your chart of accounts, customers, vendors, and products and services. Pick only what you actually need. Selecting everything can create large files that are slower to open and harder to review. If you're sharing data with an accountant, ask which reports they prefer to reduce back and forth. If a date range is available, set it to the period you care about, whether that's the current month, last quarter, year to date, or custom dates. Make sure the range aligns with your reporting period to avoid gaps or partial data. If you run on a fiscal year, confirm the dates reflect that. Small detail, big difference in accuracy. When your selections look good, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will prepare the file, and the time it takes depends on how much data you've chosen. Keep the tab open while it processes. Your browser should then prompt to download or automatically save the file. The export arrives in .xlsx format, which opens in Excel and most spreadsheet tools. Check your Downloads folder or the location your browser uses for saved files. Open the file and verify the data looks right. Spot check dates, totals, and column headers. It's a good habit to rename the file with the company name and date and store it securely as a backup or for audit support. If you need additional reports or lists, repeat the export with those selections. That's it. You've successfully exported your QuickBooks Online data to Excel for 2026. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.